Hey guys, it's Frank from Cruising with Wheels. Why is it a lot of people end up blaming the wrong person for their problems? Find out if you are one of the perpetrators of the blame game in this episode of Frank Pushes Back. It just annoys me to no end. As I would say, it just burns my cookies when people blame the wrong person for whatever issue is happening. Now, usually it's the person, let's say, that they have the most contact with, the nearest person, gets the explosion, the person that's taking their money, the last person on their way out, or whatever, but it isn't right. Let's take note. Here's a few stories. Let's start with the restaurant server. Why do people screw the restaurant server with a bad tip? They didn't make you wait 20 minutes in the lobby before they seated you. That's the hostess. Blame them. Your meal wasn't cooked to your specifications. That's not their problem. They didn't do that. Blame the chef. What? The restaurant ran out of your favorite dip? That's not the server's problem. They don't do the ordering. Blame the restaurant management. But if the server gives you bad service, has a horrible attitude, is slow and lazy, then yeah, reevaluate your tip. Let's go to the next one. The cruise ship crew. You encounter a rude crew member. Oh, horrors. And you immediately run to the elevator and get down to guest services. And you storm up there and you say, I want to remove my entire week's gratuity charges. That person was rude to me. Say what? You're going to screw 1,000+ crew members because of one person? Seriously? Come on. Let's get the name of the crew member that was rude to you. Let's get them reported to guest services. But don't mess with everybody else. That's just not fair. There are 1,000+ crew members in front of the scenes, behind the scenes, working 24/7. Long hours, multiple jobs a day to make your cruise the best it can be. It just sounds like it's just an excuse for you being cheap and not wanting to pay the gratuity charges. The next story is about a family member. Now, this family member bought some furniture, okay? Had just been redoing the house with painting and new carpeting, went out to get some furniture, couch and love seat, okay? Couldn't find, was looking everywhere, and then found this small, brand new store that had just opened up, had only been open up less than 6 months, just by accident, and found exactly what she was looking for. Yeah, excited. And said, okay, I'm gonna buy it. It's a great price. It's exactly what I want. It's perfect and goes with the new decor of my living room. And so the guy there who was making the sale, the salesman, originally from Buffalo, New York. And he says, we're well established in Buffalo, okay? I mean, we've been there a while, long time. I sell like $30,000 worth of furniture a day. I'm here in Rochester helping them open up. We've been open less than 6 months, and I'm only selling like $3,000 of furniture a day. So we're just getting started. So he was happy to make the sale. And he said, okay, we're all set. Here you go. There's the purchase. You paid for the Scotch guarding, and you need to call in the next day or two and arrange for the delivery. And my family member's like, oh, okay, sounds great, goes home, is all happy. 2 days later, she calls the store, and a girl answers. And according to this family member, the girl on the phone sounded very laissez-faire, laid back, wasn't very interested, was like, yeah, okay, la, 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 la. And so my family member was like, well, she's not instilling confidence in me. So she says, when I asked her about the delivery, she says, we don't have delivery yet. And so she was like, what? I was told you had delivery. I was, ready to pay for it and everything. Because the guy had said delivery, probably going to be, second party. I'm not sure whether you pay the store or whether you pay the delivery people. But call in and you'll find out. So, she says to my family member, you were given wrong information. We're not there yet because we've only opened less than 6 months and we don't have delivery people set up. So my family member's like, okay, well, I'm going to have to arrange to pick it up. Now, she had already said that, that might be an option because her husband has a pickup truck. Her son-in-law has a bigger pickup truck. And picking up the furniture kind of really wasn't going to be a big deal if they had to do that. But her husband was like, pay for the delivery. One less thing I need to worry about. So she was kind of annoyed that she was given wrong information. And so she was like, okay, well, we'll do that. But, I'll call you back when I figure out the date we're coming to pick it up. So I'm talking to her on the phone, right? And she's telling me, I called. I was given the wrong information. I'm not liking that. The guy, he misspoke. I get it. But I didn't like her attitude. She was very slow, talked very slow, very laid back, like she didn't really care. I don't know. I don't have a good feeling. You know what? I think I'm going to cancel the whole furniture order. Yeah, I'm going to cancel it. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. And I'm like, whoa. Come on. Let's not throw the baby out with the bathwater. Okay, let me give you some 40 years of retail reality check. Okay? Are you ready? The store had just opened up. It's been open less than 6 months. The guy was from Buffalo, another city, working, helping out. Yeah, they're not ready yet for delivery people. He said, we're only selling $3,000 a day here. So yeah, we don't have a whole crew of delivery people lined up to deliver furniture. They're not there yet. You found the furniture you said you love at the price you love. And you're going to cancel all of it because of some nondescript girl who you don't know, who's probably working in an office in the back room answering phones, who, doesn't know, whatever? Seriously? Come on, sounds crazy when I say it out loud, huh? And she's like, I know, you're right. I go, so come on. Because I said, I'm going to guarantee what's going to happen. You're going to cancel that order, and you know what? You're not going to be able to find what you want. And your living room is going to sit empty, and every day when you walk into that empty living room, you are going to be kicking yourself. I never should have canceled that order. Oh my God, why did I do that? And I'm going to go, I told you so. That's what's going to happen. So yeah, don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. Okay? The guy misspoke. Let's not go crazy. And then you're canceling your order because you're blaming the girl because you didn't like the way she sounded on the phone. Take a step back. This is no big deal. You were even considering picking up the furniture anyways. So stop and reevaluate. The next one, the store cashier. We all know store cashiers get a ton of abuse. The store cashier does not make up the prices. The store cashier does not set store policy. The store cashier did not anticipate that you were coming in today to buy the Liz Claiborne blue sweater in large that they sold out of yesterday. Didn't anticipate that, so she didn't hold one for you. Sorry. Come on now. Honestly, the store cashier cannot control every customer. She couldn't control the crazy lady who ripped that sales scarf out of your hand at the clearance table. It's not within her purview. It's above her pay grade. She's the cashier. She is just there to take your money. And I know she's the last one that you see on the way out the door, but don't take it out on the cashiers. If you have a problem, go to the right person. Ask for the manager to solve the problem. Ask the cashier, can I see a manager? Trust me, they don't want to deal with you. They will immediately call the manager. Next customer, please. The last one, possibly, the complete stranger. Yep, complete stranger. You're probably going off on. Why? I don't know. Your husband getting on your nerves? Are the kids aggravating you? Did your gas and electric bill come and it's way too high and you are just incensed? Don't take it out on the mailman. Don't take it out on the trash guy. Don't road rage your way to the mall and go crazy on the guy driving or the lady driving next to you. Don't get to the grocery store and have a fist fight while you're grabbing the last 2 snack bars, 2 for $1 off the shelf. That's crazy. You're taking your anger and frustrations out on the wrong people. You need to deal with the right person with the problem, okay? The person or the entity that is causing the problem. Whether, again, it's a live person or a corporation or whoever. But don't take it out on the extra players that are around you. It's not right, and don't be part of the blame game. I want to thank you all for joining me in this latest episode of my Frank Pushes Back. And remember, don't just watch our videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that little bell to get automatic notifications when our videos go live. Remember to also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And always remember to travel safe and cruise often.